Setting up some pumps.
Yeah.
We might have made our tower too tall here. Hold up. Now we're right over our water line. This should be kind of coming on an angle. We're missing it right now. Watch 1 second here. We got a handle. I don't know if I can open it real quick. All right, go for it. Uh-oh, 1 second. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, if we just go up in the back right corner, push up, push on it again.
Pull back.
Yeah, you just have to go a little bit. It was like almost like 1/8 of an inch off. So yeah, it's good.
Is that smaller piece of unistrut running vertical? Okay.
Yeah, it's just got to pick up that 1.25 inch line there.
I'm in love.
Right behind you, some anchors and screws, and I need 2 of the anchors, 2 of the 1/4 inch zip screws, and 2 washes.
Don't worry about me.
Huh?
Nothing. I'm laughing at my own jokes.
That's awesome.
Why would you use those?
Because they worked good. Okay? They worked great. Sheesh. Thanks, man. And that hammer. I'll let you in on a little secret. If you just pretend you know everything and bully people, everyone will hate you. But it'll be nice because you'll always have constant peace and quiet because no one wants to talk to you. Beep, beep.
See that pump? And then pump with the 1.25 flanges on it. And then I'll need a marker potentially. But
Here you go.
oh, there's my marker. Is it broken up top here? Oh no, it's somebody else's.
That's my marker.
Cool.
Thought it was probably good to leave it down in that puddle over there.
That makes sense.
Good spot for it.
The ink was getting pretty dry.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Yeah.
I just don't have the one to do that.
Hey man, I was joking about doing it by hand.
This piece. Sorry, I forgot to cut this piece down. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
this one's 39.
You like how that looks going straight back?
Yeah,
Yeah. Looks nice straight.
looking nice and straight.
Oh, what are gonna do to you?
I didn't know boilers had spark plugs.
So I feel like we get this expansion hooked up, clean up, because I gotta.
Got band practice.
You got a diddly dip.
But at least we got like the boiler side hooked up. Looks
Yeah.
legit too.
Too legit to quit now.